This is a video dealing with a tutorial from the Symposium E3, the characterization of nanomaterials and their heterostructures by using novel techniques and application of electron microscopy and spectroscopy. This tutorial is part of the IMRC Congress, and as I said, part of the E3 Symposium. The instructors will be Quentin Ramasse from the SuperSTEM Laboratory in the United Kingdom, and Hector Calderon, myself, from the Instituto Politécnico Nacional in Mexico City. Here are our picture of the instructors. The tutorial is basically focused to advanced methods of nanoscale characterization by using electrons. There are different topics. They all include recent advances in instrumentation, as well as the application of novel techniques and simulation experiments that can lead to a better understanding of the properties of nanomaterials. In all cases, we are very interested to get a very high spatial resolution and a very high energy resolution, both for imaging and for spectroscopy. For that, we include the use of aberration correctors, monochromators, and advanced electron sources, including time-resolved acquisition schemes. We are planning 3 short sessions. One that will be an introduction to electron microscopy, so that you don't have to have any prior knowledge of electron microscopy. Second part will be methods based on phase contrast, basically, transmission electron microscopy, and finally, but not last, methods based on scanning transmission electron microscopy. It is very important to understand in this tutorial the interaction between the electron beam and the sample. We will include examples to show that this can be very important and that we have to be able to control that interaction so that we can avoid damaging the sample, changing the atomic distribution. Nonetheless, the images should be sufficiently clear, the analysis should be sufficiently exact, and for that we need an strategy. The tutorial will deal with such an strategy for both TEM and STEM images. So, if we want to expand a little bit more on the tutorial topics, we will say that there will be some principles of phase contrast electron microscopy with an optimized spatial and time resolution. That means high-resolution images or phase contrasts that benefits from an outstanding signal strength and that would enable to investigate atomic structures that can be even sensitive to the radiation. Nowadays, this can also be used to investigate soft matter, surfaces, interfaces, or individual defects without moving any of the atoms with the beam. Moreover, the tantalizing perspective emerges to not only strive for a better understanding of static materials' properties, but to access their dynamic behavior while maintaining atomic resolution. This tutorial also lays out basic principles of analytical and atomic resolution and how they are compatible with the emerging ability to access the time domain. Of course, there will be also a discussion on the principles of scanning transmission electron microscopy image formation, basic to actualize interpretation of STM images together with a safe acquisition to avoid beam damage to a sensitive sample. As I said, this is part of the E3 symposium that is being organized by a bunch of researchers from different parts of the world, Brazil, United Kingdom, the United States, and Mexico. You can see in this symposium, I invite you to visit the symposium on Monday of the Congress to see the real basics to acquire atomic resolution images. We are all encouraging to everyone participating in this symposium, and encourage yourself to publish or try to publish a paper in proceedings of this symposium. In the symposium, we are using MRS Advances to publish free papers with refined acquisition of the data of electron microscopy. Thank you very much, and we expect you to see at the symposium and, of course, at the corresponding tutorial.